Before continuing to this video, I want to thank Eric X for buying a coffee. Now let's move on to our video. So now that we have successfully implemented the login and registration using Laravel authentication packages, and also we have learned about middlewares and Laravel, it's time for us to move on to the gates. Gates are a standalone permission where we define custom logic to determine whether a specific user is authorized to perform a certain action or not. For example, imagine that students can now enter the school by logging in. However, we want each of the students, we want to check, are they allowed to enter a specific classroom or not. Each student should access only their own classroom, not any other classroom. To enforce this rule, we can create a gate to check if the login student is allowed to enter a particular class or not. So we will create a gate something like this to check if the students are allowed to enter inside a class or not.